हाँ बोलो। No comments on this. You want to talk on screen, so we'll talk about it. So I'm happy. Whatever he does, I'm always with him. So I'm very happy. I mean, he's a legend. So I hope whatever the government decides, that will be right.
हेलो हेलो अंदर आ जाना मैं अंदर आ गया
Pradeep ka bites. Sir, Pradeep ka small bites, sir. Small bites, sir. Sir, 2016, how do you see it forward and what are your plans, sir?
My personal plans, I'm still writing.
Okay.
Apart from that, fantastic show is going to be.
Okay. Sir, Mr. Bachchan has been selected to be the brand ambassador for Indonesia. Anything that you would like to say?
Superb stuff, superb.
Sir, your few forthcoming projects?
A few more months he'll be announced, I guess.
Any wishes for Rani? Like she has been blessed.
I'm always wishing her. She's terrific. Doing very well. Thank you.
Yeah? I'm sorry. Okay. Hi. सेम पूछेंगे आप? अब सुनाई भी नहीं देगा कुछ.
कैसा रहा पहला?
बिल्कुल वैसा रहा जैसे पिछली 3 बार ही रहा. नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है और ये सेलिब्रेशन है फिल्म्स की जो इस साल फिल्म्स आई हैं उन सब की सेलिब्रेशन है एंड इट फील्स गुड टू बी पार्ट ऑफ इट.
And how was your New Year? Like वहाँ पे न्यू पनवेल में कैसा रहा? काफी
न्यू ईयर पे नहीं था मैं वहाँ. मैं सलमान के बर्थडे के लिए पनवेल में था. बहुत मज़ा आया. उसके बाद हम मालदीव्स चले गए थे.
शाम मेडिकल काउंसिल
जी लाएंगे ज़रूर. ये लाना ज़रूरी है आपको. हाँ बोलिए.
रिलीफ लग रहा है? मतलब बेटर सिचुएशन.
बहुत ज़्यादा रिलीफ लग रहा है. श्याम बाबू इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट रिस्पेक्टेड मोस्ट सेंसिबल पीपल इन दिस इंडस्ट्री. अगर वो ओवरसी करेंगे रीस्ट्रक्चरिंग ऑफ द सेंसर बोर्ड आई थिंक वी आर इट्स अ ग्रेट मूव.
मिस्टर अमिताभ बच्चन अपॉइंटेड एज द भारत के ब्रांड एम्बेसडर
जी,
किए गए हैं.
जी.
आपके विचार
वेरी गुड. आई मीन बच्चन साहब इज़ द प्राइड ऑफ इंडिया और अगर वो एम्बेसडर है फॉर इनक्रेडिबल इंडिया इट्स लवली. अभी मैं लिख रहा हूँ. आई हैव नॉट डिसाइडेड एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू बट मे बी इन अ मंथ्स टाइम I'll decide and lock it. Thank you. Thank you.
Hello, how are you?
How are you?
Good.
All geared up for tonight tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm just hoping that we haven't missed our category, the best on-song. And Omkar's nominated again, so I'm here to cheer for a film and the boys. So yeah.
2015 was good for you guys. What are your expectations with 2016?
Hopefully, only greater. I started my year in an amazing way. My first working performance New Year. So I'm only hoping for not only a way up but a flight up. So yeah, hopefully it'll be an awesome year. Thanks. Bye.
Up, you come. Please, please, please. Come, please, please.
स्क्रीन से हम बड़े हुए
स्क्रीन पढ़ते पढ़ते बड़े हुए, स्क्रीन के अवार्ड लेते लेते बड़े हुए और अभी स्क्रीन के अवार्ड देते देते बड़े हो रहे हैं। यही हाईलाइट है आज के स्क्रीन की। हमारी मोहब्बत है 40 साल से और उम्मीद करते हैं 40 साल और रहेगी। स्क्रीन जिंदाबाद। ना यू आस्क गॉसिप बॉन, अभी उसको गॉसिप चाहिए क्या? सुपर। हमारी इंडस्ट्री का ही अगर बहुत बड़ा स्टार अगर ब्रांड एम्बेसडर बनता है तो हमारे लिए गर्व की बात है।
Hi.
और your team is there. You were the last to join in.
Yeah, I think so.
कहाँ रह गई थी आप?
Traffic. Bombay traffic's very bad.
आज मिल रहा है award क्या?
Yeah, we nominated for the best ensemble and Omkar's nominated for the best debutant. So, looking forward.
Thank you.
Thank you.
क्या गो?
ऋषि सर, अवार्ड्स कितने मायने रखता है आपकी जिंदगी में? कुछ
आप मेरा पूछ रहे हो ना?
सर क्योंकि हमने
कोई भी किसी भी आर्टिस्ट को बहुत प्रेरणा देता है, बहुत खुश करता है। अब हमारी उम्र हो गई कि अवार्ड के कोई मायने नहीं रखते। अब तो ज़िंदगी में वो सेमी कोलन हो जाता है अपने करियर के सेंटेंस में।
सर प्लीज अलाउ मी टू आस्क यू, आपके जीवन पे एक किताब लिखी जा रही है, उसके बारे में बताएंगे कि कितना है और कब?
मुझे पता नहीं कितना है और कब। वो हमारी कोशिश ये है कि इस साल के मिड ऑफ दिस ईयर वी शुड प्रोबेबली हैव इट आउट।
किस तरह की कुछ अगर थोड़ा
मैं किस तरह की क्या बोल सकता हूँ किताब यार, जब पढ़ना जब होगी तो तब मालूम पड़ेगा। अच्छा जाओ, मैं देर से आया। मैं आपका एक क्वेश्चन हो गया, कोई और तो पूछे। हाँ
अमिताभ बच्चन has been selected to be the brand ambassador of India, of Incredible India.
Yes.
What are your thoughts?
Oh, very good. He's the right choice, and all of them are actually the right choices, and I'm sure he'll do great. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.
सोनम, इनको पीछे आने ना। No, no, on the back side. Behind them.
Hello.
Very good evening to you.
Good evening.
How has been the new year to you?
It's been amazing. Great last year and I think a great year ahead. Looking forward to some great music.
You have been nominated today.
Yes, yes.
Because lots of people do not get a chance to see you singing live. So would you like to have 2 lines sing live for all of us?
Yeah, sure. I'll sing something. हो तू ले आदे मैनू गोल्डन झुमके, मैं कन्ना विच पावा चुम चुम के, मन जावे हो मैनू शॉपिंग करा दे, और रिक्वेस्टां पाइयां वे, चिट्टियां कलाइयां वे, ओ बेबी मेरी चिट्टियां कलाइयां वे। That's it.
Which are the new songs, upcoming songs from you?
Well, there's a lot coming. There's Urta Punjab, there's Balaji coming. I have some collaborations coming out. A lot of movie music coming out.
आपको लगता है सपने पूरे होते हैं?
बिल्कुल पूरे होते हैं, मेरे तो पूरे हुए हैं।
Is there any full stop in dreams?
Well, I think you can dream forever, but you have to work very hard to fulfill your dreams.
Thank you so much.
बैठे बिठाए कुछ नहीं होता। Thank you.
New Year.
Very happy New Year to you.
Happy New Year.
You always bring a pleasant breeze whenever you come on the red carpet.
So sweet. Thank you.
Tell us something about your dress. Looking gorgeous.
Thank you. I'm wearing a Gauri Nainika today. I chose this because I think it's the new year, so it's always nice to start with a color pop. So I chose this pink dress.
Adya, Suraj is already hopeful for the award. You too? Suraj is already he was already hopeful for the award. Are you too?
Yeah, obviously everybody wants to win, but let's see. May the best win, and I'm sure the most deserving will win.
Adya, Miss Priyanka Chopra gets an award, People's Choice Award. Any words?
I think she is such an inspiration. I mean, she's doing our country so proud, and I just wish her all the best. And you know, for her, even the sky is in the limit. She's just that amazing.
Done, thank you. No. Listen. On the same lines, Mr. Bachchan also is appointed as the for the Incredible India. Any words?
I just wish him all the best. Whatever he does with so much grace. It's a huge responsibility, and I don't think anybody else could be appointed.
Done. Come. Thank you.
Sorry.
She just needs a quote.
Adya, next time you wanna answer next time.
Promise.
Sumit bhai.
Hey, hello. How are you?
Looking very stunning.
You too.
Tell us something about your dress. About your dress.
Okay, so I'm wearing a deep maroon outfit, deep maroon evening gown, which is designed by my favorite designer, Gavin C. Miguel. Yeah.
Urvashi, we are seeing your pictures on the newspapers and prominent news.
Sanam Ray.
Yeah. How was the response for you?
The response has been great. I'm really very happy for my film Sanam Ray. It's a very deep, passionate love story, and it's a very beautiful love story with amazing songs. And my song just got released yesterday, Hua Hai Aaj Pehli Baar, which is doing amazingly very well. It crossed 1 million in one day, and it's a really, I'm really thankful to God and to all of you for really liking the song.
You also come from a pageant.
Miss Universe, yeah.
How was the experience?
It was fabulous, you know. Miss Universe was, since childhood I always wanted to become Miss Universe India, and I'm glad that I'm the only Indian girl to win the title of Miss Universe India twice, and yeah, it was amazing.
Urvashi, you look sizzling in the bikini that we saw recently. Is it really difficult to have a bikini body?
I come from pageant background, so this is how I've always been. I was always into sports and everything. Yeah, it is, but it's just about dedication and the time you give to yourself, about your daily workout regime and your food, whatever you're intaking. Yeah, I mean it's quite like a dedication.
Do you believe the dreams are fulfilled?
Yes, I do believe that dreams are meant to become a reality if you really focus and if you really are really passionate about your dreams. No, not really. It depends from person to person, but from me, my dreams have come true. You know, as I told you that I wanted to become Miss Universe India, which I became. So yeah, that's what I want to tell the youth. That's what I want to tell every child. Seal, I know about Seal. Well, everybody's asking me about him. Seal is a 4 times Grammy Award winner. We both spent a really quality time in Vegas, and he's a great human being. He really loved every bit of our Indian culture, and we had a blast. And for sure, yeah, if something happens with Seal, yeah.
Urvashi, we also saw you bonding with Salman on the sets of Great Grand Masti. Any associate, any collaboration, any projects with him?
That you have to wait and watch. For Sultan?
Oh.
I don't know.
Have you been approached for it?
Huh? What?
Have you been approached for it?
That you have to wait and watch. I mean, I just cannot say anything. Yeah. much.
Good evening, Sonam. Good evening. Happy New Year to you.
Thank you.
How is the new been to you New Year?
It's been great. It's been great.
Towering लग रही हो आप बिल्कुल ऐसा लग रहा है.
Towering? No, I'm not. I've had a long day. What's up? Tell me. Happy New Year to everybody. Very good. Very well.
Did you miss your friend Jacqueline there?
Yes, I did. She was working in Dubai, I heard. She told me.
Okay, Sonam, Mr. Bachchan has been selected to be the brand ambassador of India, Incredible India. What
Okay.
are your thoughts on it?
I think it's an apt ambassadorship. I think wasn't he the brand ambassador of Gujarat? So I think it's a natural progression, right? I think the government really likes him.
Priyanka People Choice Award.
Oh, okay. Congratulations.
हम आपको कभी देखेंगे बॉलीवुड की दुनिया में या ऐसे कुछ?
Fortunate. I hope I can rule the world one day. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Jam ma'am, bites. Jam ma'am, very good evening.
Very
Jam
good
ma'am,
evening.
let's start with the good news. That is, Mr. Bachchan has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Incredible India. You've been a co-star, you've been a friend. What are your thoughts?
I congratulate him on this occasion. On this, इससे ज़्यादा भी even उनके लिए तो अमित जी के लिए तो ये एड ऑन हुआ है. ऑलरेडी ही वॉज कई उनके लिए उनके जो करियर में हासिल है, लेकिन ये ऐड करना अमित जी के लिए कोई नई बात नहीं है. एंड आई कंग्रेचुलेट हिम ऑल द बेस्ट.